For a while now, I've been having issues with my cigarette lighter or charging ports in my 2009 Toyota Corolla. This is it. It has been very, very annoying because it doesn't have a Bluetooth option and I cannot play the song I want. I'm left with just playing the radio, and you know how radio can be. It's very annoying. So today, I decided that I'm going to trace where the issue is from and solve the problem, so that for you guys that have the similar problem, I can also show you and tell you how to solve the problem. Shall you get? So now let me first show you what I mean. This is the cigarette lighter, this place. So it also functions as a Bluetooth or a charger where you can charge your phone and stuff like that, but mine has not been working, so I can't charge my phone, I can't plug my Bluetooth device, and I can't use the cigarette lighter also. So we have to solve that. So after much research, I discovered that it might be a fuse problem. If it's not a fuse problem, then I'm fucked. Now I'm going to go to where the fuse is, trace where it is, and then maybe replace the fuse if it needs replacing. Shall you get? So stay tuned. For this particular issue, I'm going to be working with the fuses under here. So this is where the fuse is. It's a fuse stuff. After you've gone under, you see this panel here. You first pull out the panel, like you find this latch here. There's a latch, this latch. Then you pry it open, and then you bring it out. On the body of the latch, there are different fuses. Like, see, this, you now locate where the cigarette lighter is, and cigarette lighter here, right, is the 15A. That's where you see cigarette lighter, and that is number 23. So when you've located the cigarette lighter, that is CIG, you now locate it up here. You now locate it up here. So this is, there are a bunch of numbers to guide you, and this here is our cigarette lighter. I try to pull it out. I don't have the correct equipment, so I've been trying to pull it out. Then I'm going to pull it out and replace it to see. I'll first check if the fuse is good. If it's not good, then you know where our problem is from. Shall you get? Oh geez, and the me like some Nikes up with P's. OT, DOD, check the demons, check ID. So this is what the fuse looks like. This one is the sports one, and this one is the good one. As you can see the difference, you see that coil inside is connected while this one is broken. So, and whenever you're replacing fuse, make sure you use the correct amps. This is 15, and you have to replace it with a 15 too. Don't go and put 20 or 30 volts fuse in where it's not supposed to be. Let's fix the new fuse, and hopefully it should work. Oh geez, and the me like some Nikes up with P's. OT, DOD, check the demons, check ID. True, bless me, Holy Trinity with me. Got my jumper MVP 2020, I can see. The new fuse is in. Time to test it out. I'll be testing it to the cigarette lighter. Let's see if the cigarette lighter is going to actually get hot or work for us to use. I think it should be ready now. So hold this one, please. We have our test subject here, the nylon. Please burn. Okay, I think we have some action here. It's actually working. Yay! Yay! See the smoke showing. Yeah, so it's working. That's it. So yeah, don't be like me that waits like 2 years to solve a problem in a car. If you found this video useful, make sure you follow me. Share the video to someone that you feel might need it, and yeah, comment if you have a different method of solving it. Thank you.